Hey, Fellerman, good afternoon. Oh, guys, good afternoon too. What are you doing now? Oh, guys, actually, I face a big problem. What is your problem? Oh, guys, actually, you can see this is my pencil, but I don't know how can I use this pencil. That's why I thought and I tried to find any solution for solving my problem, or I try to find a way how can I use this pencil. That's why I feel so worried. I feel so tension. Could you please tell me how can I use this pencil? Oh, Paler Man, I realize I can understand. It is your big problem. Yes, guys, it is my big problem. I don't know how can I use this pencil. Wait, Taylorman. I try to solve your problem. Just a few minutes. Okay, guys, I wait for you. Taylorman, first of all, you you hold or you catch this pencil as like with your finger, and you can see this is the head of this pencil, and next you try to write something on the paper as like, and finally you can see that you can write on the paper with by using this pencil. Wow, it's really amazing. It's really wonderful. I can write on the paper. Wow, may I draw a picture with this pencil? Yes, what? You can write on the paper with this pencil. You can draw picture with this pencil, and also you can see behind the pencil there are eraser. You can mosa. I don't know what is the meaning of mosa. That's mean whip. That's mean whip maybe. Mosa, you can whip uh, any ink with this eraser. It's really, wow, it's really wonderful. I don't know, but right now I can learn from your side. It's really great for me. And right now I can write with this pencil. I can draw a picture with this pencil. I really appreciate to you for give me or for solving my problem. I I strongly, I honestly say to you, could you please at the same way you stay with me, and please could you please always time solve my problem. Finally, I can learn knowledge from your side. Okay, guys, no more longer. Thank you. Thank you so much. See again বাই বাই।